plenty of things come to our minds about train travel. Scenic views, rivers, mountains, forests, food on board, great time with family, friends, or other passengers, and a lot more we can think of. However, certain railway tracks in the world can take your rail journey up a notch and leave you spellbound. If you wish to experience the thrill on the world's most extreme railways, check out this list of the most dangerous train routes in the world. Maklong Railway Market, Bangkok. Maklong Railway Market is a traditional Thai market selling fresh vegetables, food, and fruit in the province of Samut Songkhram, southwest of Bangkok. What makes the market special is that it occupies part of a train line. A few times a day, a train runs directly through the market. A few times before the train comes, vendors lower their umbrellas and move some of their produce away from the train tracks. The Death Railway, Thailand. Burma Railway, the Siam Burma Railway, Thai Burma Railway, whatever you want to call it, the Death Railway of Thailand is a 415-kilometer long route that connects Banpong in Thailand and Tan Bai Sait in Burma. It makes its way through wild jungles and dangerous mountains, and among these is the most famous division is the bridge on the river Kwai. Devil's Nose Train, Ecuador. Also known as Narzil del Diablo. Nose of the Devil Ecuador is located at 9,000 feet above sea level and is perhaps one of the scariest train rides in the world. Initiated in 1872, its construction took a long time to finish, finally built in 1905. It connected parts of the northern coast to Quito and continues to Cuenca. Also, its 12-kilometer long stretch makes it one of the most impressive train experiences in Ecuador. Kuranda Scenic Railroad, Australia. Kuranda Scenic Railroad is among the list of the top most dangerous train routes in the world, but is incredibly beautiful. Along with water splashing over from the close contact with the waterfalls, this train also passes through the Barron Gorge National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This 37-kilometer long stretch was built in the 19th century and takes nearly 2 hours to cover the distance. Tren a las Nubes, Argentina. As fancy as the name sounds, the train route is even more treacherous. Tren a las Nubes is a 217-kilometer long stretch connecting Salta, Argentina and Polvorillo, Chile. It was initiated in 1921 and took 27 years to complete. It came into operation in 1948 and was among the unique railways in Argentina that passed through the highest mountains and the deepest canyons. White Pass and Yukon Route, Alaska, USA. White Pass and Yukon Route let all the adventure seekers get the best train experience. It was built in 1898 at the height of the Klondike Gold Rush and has no direct connection to any other railhead. Among the world's most dangerous train routes, its 3-feet narrow gauge railroad connects the port of Skagway, Alaska to Whitehorse, Yukon. Georgetown Loop Railroad, Colorado, USA. An engineering marvel and an amazing railway track of the world, Georgetown Loop Railroad was built to access the silver mines in the late 19th century. It is a 3-feet narrow gauge located in the Rocky Mountains in Clear Creek Country. The rail covers the distance between Georgetown and Silver Plume with scenic views of the valley. Aso Minami Route, Japan. Passing through an active volcanic area, the Aso Minami Route is considered one of the dangerous railway tracks in the world. It connects Takamo to Tatano Station in Minami Aso and crosses Mount Aso, the biggest active volcano in Japan. In addition, the train passes through the high fragile iron bridge which is narrow and unfenced, and one wrong move of the driver can take passengers downhill. Argojet Train Railroad, Indonesia. Lived through a dangerous train accident in 2002, Argojet Train Railroad, Indonesia is a scary train that runs between Jakarta and Bandung. This 3-hour journey between two cities lets you witness incredibly beautiful places, tea plantation and mountain scenery. However, this relaxing ride transforms as it enters the sky-high Sikutung Pylon Trestle Bridge. Chennai to Rameswaram route, India. Inaugurated in 1914, the Chennai to Rameswaram route crosses 2065 meters of stretch that runs over the sea. Starting from Chennai to Rameswaram, the Chennai-Rameswaram train route runs on the Pamban Bridge, which is the most dangerous railway bridge in the world. Passengers who have travelled on this route say the worst part of the riding is the fragile bridge that wobbles with the train over the turbulent sea. The most dangerous aspect of the Chennai-Rameswaram route is the Pamban Bridge train accident in 1964. A cyclone annihilated the town of Dhanushkodi located on the eastern tip of Pamban Island and swept the train of the Pamban Bridge. Trains are a beautiful creation of mankind, but riding on any of the above is just mind-boggling. Life is a train, get on board. Seems cool on captions but not while traveling on the most dangerous train routes in the world. Right, for frequent train travelers putting on Instagram captions, forever catching trains, we dare you to catch any of these ones. Choo choo. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.